A website without backlinks is like a car without tires. It doesn't matter what it looks like, it's not going anywhere. Google's #1 ranking factor is site authority, which it measures primarily through backlinks or links to your website from other websites. Every backlink you get is like a vote. If the vote comes from a reputable site like the New York Times, it counts even more. Backlinks show Google that other people find your content valuable. If your site doesn't have good references, Google isn't going to show your site in search results. I've studied thousands of keyword searches manually and millions more with my scrapers, and I've never seen it happen. Websites without quality backlinks just don't rank. Link building, at its core, it's a content marketing strategy. Content before links. If your site lacks good content, why would Google send searchers there? The first thing I ask someone who says they want to show up in search engines is, do you think your content is really worthy of page 1? A lot of the time the answer is no. Not all websites are ready for link building because they don't have the content it takes to rank. Some of my favorite link building strategies include blogger outreach, infographics, creating free tools, ebooks, and visualizations. You can contribute content, create partnerships with other brands, or even acquire other companies for their SEO assets. I built thousands of links this way. It's resource intensive, but it's possible to scale. My advice, if you want to start link building, is focus on your content. Focus on quality. And when you're ready to scale, work with a reputable agency. For more details on how to safely execute link building, check out the free ebook I wrote. And as always, if you have any questions, leave a comment or reach out to us on linkgraph.io, and we're happy to help.